Hey there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your favorite corner of the internet for all things home, heart, and design. I'm so glad you're here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, farmhouse-style summer living. Whether you have a sprawling property or a cozy suburban home, this video is packed with ideas to transform every single room and outdoor space into a relaxed, sun-soaked farmhouse haven. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell so you never miss a design moment. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite summer color. I read every single one. Let's get into it. Your home's exterior is the very first chapter of your farmhouse story, so let's make it a good one. Think white or warm grayish board and batten siding paired with dark charcoal window trim. That classic contrast is pure farmhouse gold. For summer, layer in window boxes overflowing with lavender, white petunias, and trailing greenery. A statement front door in muted sage or barn red anchors the whole look beautifully. Add a classic pitched metal roof accent, a wooden porch swing, and a vintage lantern pendant light above the entry for that irresistible curb appeal that feels both timeless and seasonally fresh. The entryway, or what designers call the mudroom moment, sets the entire tone of your home. For a farmhouse summer refresh, start with a shiplap paneled wall in crisp white. It's the perfect backdrop for a rustic wooden coat and hat rack with black iron hooks. Layer in a slim shoe cabinet with a distressed finish, a vintage framed mirror to bounce light around, and a natural jute mat at the door. Add a small wooden bench with a gingham cushion for seating. Finish with a ceramic bowl for keys and a tiny potted herb on the shelf. Simple, charming, and completely intentional. Step into the living room and let the summer breathe right in. The farmhouse living room in summer is all about light, texture, and that laid-back elegance we all crave. Swap your heavy drapes for linen or cotton voile curtains in soft white or warm sand. They billow beautifully and flood the room with golden light. Ground the space with a chunky jute rug and layer a slip-covered sofa in natural linen. Add a weathered wood coffee table, a galvanized metal vase with fresh sunflowers, and woven baskets for storage. Cozy, curated, and effortlessly farmhouse. That's the summer living room dream. The dining room is where summer gatherings truly come alive, and in a farmhouse home, it becomes something truly magical. Start with a long reclaimed wood dining table. The natural grain and imperfections are the beauty, not the flaw. Style it with a linen table runner in dusty blue or warm terracotta. Then layer mismatched white ceramic plates for that charming, collected over time look. Mason jar vases clustered with wildflowers and greenery make the most gorgeous centerpiece. Use wrought tan-back dining chairs for texture and warmth. Hang an iron chandelier with Edison bulbs above to cast that soft, golden dinner glow everyone loves. Now we're in the heart of the home, the farmhouse kitchen, and oh, does it shine in summer. Opt for shaker-style cabinets in soft white or warm sage with aged brass or matte black hardware. Both are having a major design moment right now. A farmhouse apron front sink is non-negotiable for the full effect. Style your countertops with a stainless steel or retro pastel mini coffee machine for that charming cafe corner vibe. Keep the refrigerator front clean with a paneled cover or go for a classic retro-style fridge. On the stove, a cast iron skillet displayed on a pot rack adds rustic authenticity beautifully. Every farmhouse home needs a family room that truly works, cozy, comfortable, and completely inviting for lazy summer evenings. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap feature wall, painted in a warm white or soft grayish. The texture adds so much more depth than plain drywall. Frame the TV with floating wooden shelves styled with books, greenery, and vintage-inspired finds. A large sectional sofa with washable slipcovers is the MVP of this space, practical and stylish. Layer with a chunky knit throw, linen pillow covers in earthy tones, and a large round jute rug. Family room goals completely achieved. In today's world, a dedicated home office nook is essential, and in a farmhouse home, it becomes a genuinely beautiful corner you'll actually want to work in. Choose a compact, uniquely shaped desk in solid oak or reclaimed pine with tapered legs for that Scandinavian farmhouse crossover feel. Pair it with a vintage-style wooden desk clock, small but incredibly charming and purposeful. Tuck a little retro-style radio on the shelf for soft background ambience while you work. Add a simple cane-back desk chair and a small potted succulent. Layer warm lighting with a brass task lamp. Productive, personal, and perfectly farmhouse. Every farmhouse home deserves a reading nook, that tucked-away corner designed purely for rest and imagination. If you have a bay window, lucky you. Dress it with a built-in cushioned bench in ticking stripe or washed linen, and stack it with throw pillows in soft summer hues like sage, cream, and dusty rose. If not, angle a cozy armchair near a window with a small side table and a basket full of books beside it. Add a warm-toned floor lamp, a linen curtain panel to define the nook, and a small vase of fresh lavender. This little corner will become your most treasured summer spot. Your bedroom should feel like the most peaceful room in the house, a true sanctuary, especially in summer. For the farmhouse bedroom, start with a statement wooden headboard in a natural or whitewashed finish. It anchors the whole room with warmth and character. Dress your bed in lightweight linen bedding in white or soft chambray blue, both breathable and beautiful for warm nights. Layer with a quilt in a subtle gingham or buffalo check pattern for that classic farmhouse personality. Use matching wooden nightstands with vintage-style table lamps in aged brass. Add a small bouquet of dried pampas grass, and you have a bedroom that feels like pure, quiet luxury. The farmhouse bathroom is one of those spaces that balances rustic texture with clean, spa-like serenity, and in summer, it should feel extra refreshing. For the shower, consider subway tile in white with dark grout for that timeless farmhouse meets industrial edge. A rainfall showerhead in matte black or brushed nickel instantly elevates the experience. At the vanity or wastafel, as many of us call it, opt for a vessel sink on a floating wooden console with open shelving beneath. Display neatly rolled white towels, a bar of artisan soap, and a small eucalyptus bundle. Every single detail whispers calm, clean, and completely beautiful. Let's talk about a space most people completely ignore: the garage. In a farmhouse home, even the garage can carry character and charm. Start with board and batten cladding on the interior walls, painted in a warm white or classic charcoal. Install open wooden shelving with galvanized metal bins for organized storage, functional and visually appealing. A vintage-style pendant light or two creates warmth and makes the space feel intentional. For the garage door exterior, choose a carriage house-style door in black or deep green for a stunning curb appeal upgrade. Add a potted boxwood on either side of the entrance, and the transformation is absolutely remarkable. And here we are, the patio, the crown jewel of your farmhouse summer. This is where the magic truly happens. Long dinners, lazy mornings, and firefly evenings with the people you love. Start with a large outdoor dining table in teak or powder-coated iron, surrounded by mismatched farmhouse-style chairs for an effortlessly curated look. Layer the space with an outdoor jute or polypropylene rug to define the dining zone. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead for evening ambience that feels absolutely dreamy. Add potted galvanized metal planters with hydrangeas and a vintage lantern or two. This patio is ready for every summer memory you plan to make. Before you run to the store, let's talk palette, because in farmhouse design, your color story is everything. The farmhouse summer palette lives in warm neutrals. Think creamy whites, warm taupes, and soft greys, layered with nature-inspired accents like sage green, dusty blue, sunflower yellow, and terracotta. The magic rule? Stick to 3 main tones and let texture do the heavy lifting. Linen, wrought tan, Jute, wood, and galvanized metal are your material best friends. Avoid anything too shiny or too matchy-matchy. Farmhouse style celebrates the beautifully imperfect, the layered, and the lived in, and that's exactly what makes it so endlessly appealing. One of the most important farmhouse styling techniques is what designers call the curated mix, blending vintage or antique pieces with new, clean-line furniture so the space feels like it evolved naturally over time, not like it was purchased all in one afternoon. Visit thrift stores, flea markets, and estate sales for one-of-a-kind wooden frames, old crocks, enamelware pitchers, and ironstone pottery. Then balance those finds with fresh linen pillowcases, a new sofa in a classic neutral, or a simple white ceramic lamp. That tension between old and new is what gives a farmhouse interior its soul, its story, and its irresistible warmth. Nothing, and I mean nothing, activates a farmhouse space in summer, quite like fresh greenery and botanicals. It's the easiest, most affordable upgrade you can make to any room. In the kitchen, line the windowsill with small terracotta herb pots. Basil, rosemary, and mint look gorgeous and smell incredible. In the living room, a large fiddle leaf fig or olive tree in a woven basket planter makes an architectural statement. On your dining table, loose wildflower arrangements in mason jars or stoneware pitchers are pure farmhouse magic. On the patio, go big with climbing vines, window boxes, and oversized planters. Let the summer in always. Lighting is the unsung hero of every beautifully designed home, and in a farmhouse, it can make all the difference between ordinary and extraordinary. During the day, maximize natural light by keeping window treatments light and airy. Sheer white linens, woven Roman shades, or simple bamboo blinds all work beautifully. For evening ambience, layer your light sources. Overhead pendants or chandeliers in iron or wood, table lamps with linen shades, and candlelight from beeswax or soy pillar candles in wooden or ceramic holders. On the patio, string lights are absolutely essential. Warm, dimmable bulbs at around 2,700 K will give you that signature golden farmhouse glow every single time. Here's the good news. Achieving that gorgeous farmhouse summer look doesn't require a full renovation or a designer budget. Some of the most impactful changes cost very little. Swapping hardware on existing cabinets to matte black or aged brass is a game changer that takes under an hour. Adding a shiplap effect using thin MDF planks is incredibly affordable and completely DIY friendly. Reupholstering a dining chair seat with linen or gingham fabric costs almost nothing. Fresh white paint on tired furniture is a miracle worker. And a visit to your local farmer's market for seasonal flowers, herbs, and a bunch of lavender will style your whole home for just a few dollars. Impactful, intentional, and absolutely doable for everyone. Now that you've styled each room individually, let's talk about the beautiful art of cohesion, making your entire home feel like one seamlessly connected farmhouse story. The key is repetition of materials and tones throughout every space. If you use aged brass in the kitchen, echo it in the bathroom and bedroom lamps. If jute appears in the living room, let it reappear on the patio. Your wood tones should feel family. They don't have to match exactly, but they should harmonize. Use fresh botanicals as a thread that runs through every room. When each space references the others, your home stops feeling like decorated rooms and starts feeling like a beautifully lived-in farmhouse home. And that, my friend, is your complete farmhouse summer guide, from the front facade all the way to the patio string lights. I hope every single idea sparked something in you, whether it's a small weekend refresh or a full seasonal transformation. Remember, your home doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to feel like you. Farmhouse style at its heart is about warmth, welcome, and the beauty of a life genuinely lived. If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly means the world to this channel. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas so you never miss your next dose of design inspiration, and leave me a comment below. Which room are you transforming first this summer? I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!